Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour, round 20. Sorry guys, it didn't go out. Here's the trampoline and 2020. Here's my practice facility 2120. Here's the open practice field. Bam. Yeah guys, it's gonna snowstorm. We gotta hurry up. Bia! Oh God! 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 Ah! God! 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 Yeah, guys, it's snowing. Here's the football corridor covered in snow. You can't even see it. Look. Snow. It's snowing, guys. I told you. Here's the lacrosse goal rebounder covered in snow. Here's a lacrosse path about to be covered in snow, so you can't see the lacrosse balls. The Husqvarna. Husqvarna! Get the free cameras, baby. YouTube. Get the free cameras, baby. Get the free cameras, baby. YouTube is on fire. I'm gonna have a white YouTube. I'm gonna have a winter YouTube channel tomorrow. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it. Snow YouTube. YouTubing in snow. Here is the hot tub and dock box. Here's the spare locker room. Here's the facility. Bia! Oh, God! 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 Ugh! Something's burning. Burn. Guys, as you come into the facility, we have extra team space right here. Yes, guys, we play Myers Park tomorrow. Away. Here is the Cub Cadet with the snowplow on it, because it will snow tonight. Guys, we're traveling right now. We're going to Myers Park right now, so we gotta hurry up. The charter bus is about to load the team. All of our pads and stuff will go under the deck of the bus with our helmets. With all our speed flexes. Here's my dad's tractor. Yes, guys, I'm playing running back this year for JV football. Here it is, guys. Bam. Yes, guys, our practices are every Wednesday. Wednesdays are our practice. This week we don't have practice because of a snowstorm. They're calling for severe snow. Here is the game field in 2021. Bia! Oh, God! 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 Bia! Wait, no. Bia! Oh, God! God! Here's the Cabela Fun Zone, guys. Covered in snow. Here's that. There it is, guys. Here it is. We'll get after that in a few weeks. Beer! Oh, God! God! Oh, God! God! Okay! Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh! Okay! Here it is, guys. Yes, guys, I have no school. It's winter. Here's where the cupcakes go. Here's the party recreation area. There it is. Yes, guys. I'll be heading out of state of Calabasas for a few weeks. Going to train in Big Bear for boxing. So yes, I won't be here in Calabasas. I'll be in I won't be here in Calabasas or LA right now because of the I'll be in Big Bear for boxing. I'll be training for Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy, I'm coming for you. Fights on January 12th. Drop it in the link in the description below. There it is.